Hey folks, Lee Smith, Spouses Buying Houses. I'm a real estate investor here in Indianapolis, Indiana. We work with a lot of investors, both foreign and domestic, who have been done wrong. Some of the stories are crazy, crazy, crazy. Turn away now if you have a weak stomach. This stuff will gross you out and or break your heart at the same time.
Look, the dead stuff in the sink. Oh, it's coming for you. Look, there's a hand coming out at you. Oh.
Did I stutter when I said I've seen some crazy, crazy stuff? You ever wonder what it's like to lose $600,000 in 1 to 2 years?
Oh, we're going.
Lee.
There's the sink.
Lee.
What?
Lee.
What?
I'm cheering you on.
There's the sink. Oh, no, we're not going to show you the rest of it.
How about a NASA engineer? Super smart guy, almost losing his entire retirement to bad investments.
Anybody in here? If anybody's in here, you need to leave. Just let me know.
You can't make this stuff up. How about a resident who in 1 short month trashed a freshly rehabbed house? I have seen so much as a property manager and an investor. Every day I learn a new way to lose money. Most of the time it's not mine, unfortunately. Well, fortunately for me. Everything has a story and everything has a lesson. You need a good sense of humor and no emotion to be in this business. Who am I? My name is Lee Smith. I was a Microsoft certified systems engineer for over 20 years. I chose to take on a new life as a real estate investor here in Indianapolis, Indiana, and I love it. I have been flipping houses since the early 90s, and we manage over 250 rentals. I am constantly educating myself. I am constantly working to better myself, my family, and my friends. Whether you have no money, some money, or lots of money, stick with me and I'll teach you how to do this correctly.